Energy production is complex. John Crane understands this. Upstream and midstream applications involve numerous pieces of equipment and processes, often in remote locations. They need to be managed effectively to ensure reliable, optimum performance. As the pioneers of dry gas seal technology, John Crane understands how to maintain the perfect environment to ensure optimum gas seal reliability in periods of operation, startup, and standstill. It's during periods of unpressurized standstill that contamination problems can occur. As the gas inside the compressor settles, and with no positive gas flow available, unfiltered process gas can enter the seal chamber, leak across the seal faces, and contaminate the dry gas seal. This can lead to seal hang-up on startup, affecting the reliability of the equipment and the performance of the overall process. When there is no alternative gas supply, the answer is to increase the pressure of the filtered supply gas using a standby gas booster. By automatically boosting the supply gas pressure at compressor idle, the integrity of the gas seals can be maintained. The importance of effective seal gas boosters in maintaining a clean gas flow across the seal face at pressurized standstill is critical. John Crane's GCU seal gas booster provides high-capacity gas flow to ensure gas seal integrity, meeting the latest requirements of API 692. Intelligent product design delivers the required differential pressure to ensure consistent, positive, clean gas flow across seals, overcoming seal support system pressure drops. For guaranteed performance, trouble-free commissioning, and reduced operating costs, choose John Crane's next-generation GCU seal gas booster technology. Today, tomorrow, together. John Crane, your name is how we make ours.